Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Audiomack app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. You just click here on settings here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps this here. And there you're looking for Audiomack app, or just click on search. Then here add Audiomack, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then here you click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. And here you search for Audiomack, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.